Where to invest money? Special advice from Vijay Kedia and veteran investors. Golden opportunity for new investors. Hello friends, imagine if you get a secret that will help you earn the best returns in the stock market without any risk. If you know in advance which sector will give the highest profit in the next 10 years, then would you like to miss this opportunity? This is not a fantasy, but the advice of India's top investors, who have revealed where new investors should invest their money and how a strong portfolio can be created. In Business Today's Budget Roundtable, the country's well-known investors discussed in depth the current situation and future prospects of the Indian stock market. In this program, veterans like Dhirendra Kumar of Value Research, famous investor Vijay Kedia, and financial expert Manish Dangi participated and told where new investors should invest money, which sectors can see great growth, and what things are important to avoid. If you also want to earn big profits in the next few years by investing your money in the right place, then this report is going to be very special for you. Today we will discuss this topic in depth, but before that, if you are new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you get updates of our every new video first. So let's start today's discussion without any delay. First of all, let's know which investment among small, mid and large cap funds will be the most beneficial, and how to make the right choice. The biggest question while investing in the stock market is, where should we invest our money? Which company or sector would be right to invest in? Should we invest in small cap companies, which can grow rapidly, or should we trust mid cap and large cap companies, which are more stable? Dhirendra Kumar of Value Research says that investors who have already invested in a fund need not panic. Even if the market is down now, it will not last for long. He said that if you are a long-term investor, then this is the time to buy good stocks. Dhirendra Kumar said that the fear created about small cap funds is not completely correct. He said that if the fundamental position of a company is strong, then small cap companies give better returns than large cap and mid cap in the long term. He advised investors that their portfolio should be balanced. That is, it would be best to invest 10 to 20% in large cap, 30 to 40% in mid cap, and 40 to 50% in small cap. This will reduce your risk and also give you a chance to earn more returns. Now let's know which are the best sectors for new investors and where should they invest money. If you are a new investor and are thinking of investing in the stock market, then it is very important for you to make the right strategy. Investment advice that new investors should initially invest a large part of their money in mid-cap companies. According to Dhirendra Kumar, mid-cap companies are those which are moving towards becoming large caps, but they have the potential for growth like small caps. He said that there is no need to panic about the fall in the stock market, because it is a cycle, and with time the market goes up again. He also said that if an investor is already present in the market, then he should invest 10% of his total portfolio in small cap companies. Giving an example, he said that many of today's mid-cap companies used to be small caps earlier and have given great returns to investors. Now let's know, what is Vijay Kedia's advice, and in which sectors of government's focus can investing be beneficial? Famous investor Vijay Kedia, who is known for his long-term investments, said that new investors should always invest in sectors where there is government support. He said that India does not need to be compared with China right now, because China's economy is 5 times bigger than India. China exports 60 lakh electric vehicles every year, while India is still in the initial stages of this sector. He emphasized on 2 special sectors, tourism and airline sector. Vijay Kedia said that the future of tourism in India is very bright because every kind of tourism is available in our country: religious, medical, adventure and heritage. But this sector has still not fully developed in our country. He said that the tourism industry will see tremendous growth in the next 10 to 15 years. India has 150 airports, while America has more than 14,000 airports. This makes it clear that India's aviation sector still has a lot of potential, and it can give great returns in the future. He advised investors that if they want good returns in the long term, then they should definitely focus on tourism and aviation sectors. Now let us know, what is the impact of the weakness of the rupee on the market? And are global factors responsible for this? Financial expert Manish Dangi said that there are many international reasons behind the weakness of the Indian rupee. Global trends are changing due to the ban on China and Russia, and it is affecting the Indian currency. He told that India has a big global exposure in the IT and metal sector, and gradually the situation will improve. He said that this decline is temporary, and India's growth will remain intact in the long term. However, all the experts agreed that the Indian stock market is currently in a very attractive position for long-term investors. If you also want to invest, then this could be the right time, when you are getting a chance to invest in good quality companies at cheap prices. Both Vijay Kedia and Dhirendra Kumar said that there is no need to panic due to the fall in the market, but it should be seen as an opportunity. So friends, if you are a new investor and want to invest your savings in the right place, then according to the advice of experts, it may be better to invest in tourism, aviation, mid-cap and small-cap companies. There is no need to be afraid of the fall in the market, as it always goes up and down, but those who are patient earn great returns in the long term. Vijay Kedia, Dhirendra Kumar, and other experts emphasized that it would be wise to invest in sectors supported by the government. In the coming 10 to 15 years, tourism and aviation sectors in India will show tremendous growth, as the infrastructure is constantly expanding and the number of passengers is increasing. Similarly, small-cap and mid-cap companies have the potential to give better returns in the long term, provided they are fundamentally strong. If you like our content and want to make our efforts even stronger, you can support us through the QR code given in the video or the UPI ID given in the description. Your every small contribution is valuable to us and will inspire us to make even better and informative videos. Your support is our strength. Also, if this video taught you something new, or you felt that this information should reach others as well, then do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any questions or suggestions in mind, then do let us know in the comments. We look forward to answering your every question and listening to suggestions. And yes, if you want to stay updated with our every new video in the future, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new information first. GRT Business always strives to give you accurate and reliable information. Our news is obtained from various news agencies, public opinion and public sources. We try our best to verify every report, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our sole aim is to provide you with accurate and reliable information.